Good afternoon, boys and girls, and for our friends in America, happy Thanksgiving. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Okay, this is my take on medium sized knives that are between 3 and 4 inches closed. These are ones that I believe you could show your granny and she would not be scared and not think you're a knife wielding maniac and appreciate your knife collection. Okie dokie, I'll begin. Here we have a great looking Uncle Henry. Look at this. Isn't this lovely? Finished off well. Great in the hand. Yeah. Look at that. A fantastic example of its type. There we are. Next, for your pleasure, we have this Gerber Wingtip, one of my personal favourites. This is lovely, very inoffensive, a very practical knife. I think a future classic. If you don't already have one, I strongly suggest that you do get yourself one because they're put together extremely well. They even have, I believe it's called a distal taper. Is it? This is down. I'm often wrong with this sort of thing, and please correct me if I am. I won't be offended. I'm still learning. But look at that. Isn't that lovely? Granny's never going to be scared with this. In fact, she'll probably borrow it. There we are. Then we have this Perkins. A beautiful example. Look at this. It's a obvious copy of the French style toothpick, but it's decent. It's not half bad. Not half bad at all. Granny could keep this in her purse, and she could whip it out when she wants to open letters or scratch off the metal stuff off her scratch cards, or whatever it is she wants to do with it. But look at this. Isn't that lovely? Then we have a Rough Rider hunter, just a little hunter. Very nice. Pick up with that fingerprint. There we are, back again. Look at this. Isn't that lovely? They did a great job with this. There. Who could not love this little beauty? Then we have my, I hope I pronounced this right this time, Malagul. There we are. Look at that. Again, a thing of beauty. And if by such chance that your granny is of French descent, she may even remember having one of these when she was a child. Look at that. Isn't that lovely? Put together with feeling. Wonderful. Now, here we have a great example of an Eyewitness knife. Turner's Eyewitness. Don't leave home without one. It's like having a best friend in your pocket. These are lovely. Cheap at half the price. They do a fantastic job. Good cutters. Strong. There you go. Look at that. Sweet as a nut. And next to that, we have everybody's favourite, the Bokeh Plus Tech Tool 1. Look at that. That is lovely. An absolute bargain at the price. Everybody should have one. You can whip this out and carve your toke with it without anybody being slightly the wiser. It is wonderful. There you go. I'm sure Granny would love one. There. Next, of course, is the Open L. I've had this one for quite a while. As you see, I have actually changed the shape of the handle to suit myself. This is beautiful, sharp as a razor. I often use it. And again, if Granny has any French blood in her, she'll remember these as a child. Look at that. Beautiful. Yep. Then, finally, we have this Magnum Bokeh. Again, it is very, very well put together. A lovely thing. Ideal for opening letters, parcels, cutting shoelaces, all those wonderful sort of things that you do with them. Look at that. Very, very impressive. Well, there you have it. Short and sweet. Thank you for your time. I hope you like my little selection. And as always, have a good one, and I'll see you out there.